Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Capital misallocation and index investing, Cathie Wood's warning, Ford labor deal rejection in Louisville, and the dawn of a new tech bull market led by Apple. Plus, Calibre Mining's acquisition of Marathon Gold, B. Riley's continued skid following S&P downgrade, Digital Realty's capital boost from Realty Income Partnership, and NVIDIA's H200 model update. Lastly, U.S.'s investigation on suspected Russian oil sanctions violations involving around 100 tankers. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Cathie Wood, the chief executive officer of ARK Invest, has voiced criticism towards the trend of index investing adopted by major providers such as BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street. She argues that this approach has resulted in a substantial misallocation of resources. Collectively, these firms oversee more than $1 trillion in funds focused on the S&P 500. On the other hand, ARK's actively managed funds have demonstrated diverse returns for the year 2023.
More than 50% of the production employees at Ford Motors' Louisville assembly facility, who are members of the United Auto Workers Local 862 union, cast their votes against a newly proposed labor contract. However, when considering all UAW plants collectively, approximately 70.7% of the workforce gave their approval to the agreement. This varied reaction indicates that there is no certainty for contract approval. In related news, President Biden has voiced his backing for UAW's initiatives to bring other car manufacturers like Tesla and Toyota into the union fold.
Wedbush Securities anticipates a fresh bull market in technology stocks, with a projected surge in spending for the upcoming year. Their prime selection is Apple, due to their belief that Wall Street is underestimating the potential of expenditure on cloud and artificial intelligence. They predict an increase in spending by 20 to 25%, especially within enterprise and consumer sectors. Other preferred companies comprise Microsoft, Google, Palo Alto Networks, Palantir Technologies, Zscaler, CrowdStrike, and MongoDB.
Calibre Mining is on track to purchase the remaining shares of Marathon Gold. This acquisition will result in the formation of a mid-tier gold producer that is primarily focused on the Americas. The expected annual production from this merger is projected to be 500,000 ounces. The transaction places Marathon's value at 84 cents per share and carries a gross equity value of $345 million Canadian dollars for the entire deal. After the merger, ownership will be divided between Calibre and Marathon shareholders at approximately 66% and 34% respectively.
B. Riley stocks have experienced a significant drop of 45% in the past week. This is partially attributed to a downgrade in credit rating for its newly purchased franchise group. The downgrade was triggered by worries over substantial debt and underwhelming performance. Furthermore, Brian Kahn, the chief executive officer of Franchise Group who spearheaded the buyout with B. Riley's assistance, is potentially facing fraud allegations connected to Prophecy Asset Management.
Digital Realty Trust, in partnership with Realty Income, has initiated a joint venture. The aim is to build 2 data centers located in Northern Virginia. This project, valued at $400 million, is already fully pre-leased to a client who is part of the S&P 100. The completion date for this project is projected to be in the middle of 2024. Realty Income has made an investment of $200 million and owns an 80% stake in the venture. Digital Realty retains the remaining 20%. This agreement broadens Digital Realty's capital sources and increases its adaptability.
NVIDIA experienced a 1% increase in its stock value following the reveal of its latest Hopper 200 GPU. This is the inaugural model to incorporate high-bandwidth HBM3E memory, which not only doubles the capacity but also more than doubles the bandwidth compared to previous models. As a result, AI processing speed is significantly improved. Tech giants such as Amazon, Google, and Oracle are set to be among the early adopters of this advanced technology starting from next year.
The United States Treasury Department is currently conducting investigations on approximately 100 vessels, which are suspected of violating Western sanctions imposed on Russian oil. Communication notices have been dispatched to ship management companies in around 30 countries. This marks the most significant action since the imposition of a $60 per barrel price cap by G7 nations in the previous December. This development indicates heightened enforcement and possible accountability for corporations participating in raising Russian oil prices above the capped limit.
That's it for today on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested. Until next time, keep aiming for those financial stars. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.